everyone. My name is Kudzai and I want to welcome you to an exciting financial education program called On the Money, brought to you by Old Mutual. This is a powerful program that helps you to manage your money better. It is premised on the big five, which are animals found in Africa, namely the leopard, the elephant, the lion, the buffalo, as well as the rhino. Every one of us has specific behaviors we exhibit when it comes to managing money. They're affected by a whole lot of things. It could be your background, where you grew up, things you've seen on TV, heard on radio, and heard from family and friends as well. Lots of things affect how we presently manage our money. And this program is designed to help you to build up good financial habits and let go of the bad ones. It takes us back to very basic principles on managing money as we learn from the characteristics of the big five. To begin with, all of us have a specific money personality, and it can be summed up in two specific birds. The first one is an ostrich. What do we know about the ostrich? It's a tall bird, strong feet, runs very fast, has the ability to kick a human being to death. But here's something interesting about an ostrich. When it feels threatened, instead of using its ability to run away fast, or perhaps to stand its ground and kick someone because it has the ability to do so, it chooses to bury its head in the sand. And this speaks of someone who, rather than facing their financial issues or their money issues head on, just chooses to ignore everything and say, yes, I could be in debt. Yes, I never balance in my budget. In fact, I don't even use one. They prefer to say, you know what? I'm just going to live my life and I won't really face my financial issues at all. Take each day as it comes. We'll see. That is not a very good approach, because we know that when you do not face your financial issues head on, they'll still catch up with you. The second bird that characterizes the personalities of many people is a peacock. What do we know about the peacock? It is proud, it is showy, and like the young people say, in a flambeau, it is flamboyant. It likes to strut itself around and show all of its colors. Some people have a peacock personality, where they want to demonstrate everything that they own in life, that they've made it in life, demonstrated by their phone, perhaps the car they're driving, the neighborhood they're living in, where they're sending children to school, what they're wearing. They're showy, they're flamboyant, they're proud. And yet, in many instances, people who are showy like this may not necessarily be in a good place financially. We don't want to be like the ostrich which buries its head in the sand, but at the same time, we don't want to be like the peacock which is showy. In fact, one statement which describes peacock behavior is that we buy things we do not need, with money we do not have, to impress people we do not like. And so it's very possible to be stuck in a rut in our financial lives where we are spending money on things that are not necessary, and perhaps spending money we do not have because it is possible through debt. And the sad thing is all of this is done to impress people we do not like and people who probably do not care. As we run through On the Money and learn the big five secrets of money management, we are going to go back to the basics of managing money. Simple habits, powerful habits. It is possible for anyone, no matter what state they are in, no matter what money personality they have, to change the trajectory of their personal finance. Bad money habits can be changed when we go back to the basics. And these basics are what you will learn as you embark on this powerful journey with us through the On the Money Big Five Secrets of Money Management program. So do join us. Make sure you invite family, friends, and especially those folks who are in the habit of borrowing money from you. Thank you for watching On the Money, brought to you by Old Mutual. My name is Kudzai. It's been fantastic, and I really look forward to walking on this financial freedom journey with you. Cheers.